Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do unboxing of my Michaelkors bags, which I wanted from so long. As you know, there is end of the year and so many crazy sales going on, like Boxing Day sales and New Year sales. So I was looking for these. I have been looking on their stores and on their outlets. I could not find these two bags which I wanted. So then I ordered online, and yeah, I'm super excited to open up. And these sales encourage you, like if you wanted one, you're gonna buy two or maybe many more. So I bought these two, and super excited to open these up. So this is how I received the package. So yeah, let's open it up. Okay. So this is how the bag look like. It's super cute, and look at the color combination. I love this yellow and um, gold color here. And this is how you close it, and look at this, so gorgeous. And here is a small pocket, and here is one more small pocket. So this is the care card, and here I have one other strap, like if you want to use a crossbody bag. And there is a gold chain strap here, and one more pocket at the back. So you can put your phone here or maybe here. So yeah, it's super cute, and I can't wait to try it. I love it. Let's open up the other one. So this is the light cream bag with studs on top. Let's open up this one. Oh my god. So this is how you can open up, like, can you see that? And here you go. So I'm gonna show you again. See. Okay, so it comes with the dust bag, which is good. And also it have this care card. So this side there are small pockets so you can put your cards, and this one as well. Also at the back there is one more pocket, and it have adjustable strap, so you can use as a shoulder bag or maybe you can use as a crossbody bag. Look at the studs. Like, I am obsessed with these studs. I'm in love with these studs. This is super cute and super gorgeous. Look at this. I forget to unwrap the chain strap, so here is the final look. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos, and also tell me in the comment section which one of these you like most. And I also want to wish you happy new year. May this year brings a lot of happiness in your life, so just keep smiling and live your lives. Bye bye.